Ever wondered why Indian finance jumps from thousands to lakhs, then suddenly to crores? The shift in zeros can be quite confusing for many people. Imagine you see a figure like 250 lakhs. Do you know exactly how many crores that represents? Most people struggle with these high-value numbers. We are going to demystify this today. Let's turn that confusion into a clear mental light bulb and master the Indian numbering system once and for all. In the Indian system, a lakh is 100,000. It is represented as 1 followed by 5 zeros, written as 100,000. A crore, however, is much larger. It represents 10 million, or exactly 100 lakhs. That is a 1 followed by 7 zeros. Understanding this relationship is vital for reading government budgets, property prices, or population statistics accurately without making huge errors in calculation. Notice the comma placement. Unlike the international system, the Indian system uses a 2 to 3 grouping. This helps in identifying lakhs and crores visually. Now, let's look at the formula. It is incredibly simple. To get the value in crores, just divide your lakh value by 100. Why divide by 100? Because as we discussed, it takes exactly 100 individual lakhs to build a single crore. The math is consistent. Think of it as moving the decimal point to places to the left. This mental shortcut makes conversions fast and easy during conversations. Let's put this into practice with some real-world examples. Imagine a startup raises 50 lakhs in funding. What is that in crores? Apply the formula. 50 divided by 100 equals 0.5. So 50 lakhs is exactly half a crore. Simple, right? Now consider a luxury villa priced at 750 lakhs. Using our rule, we divide 750 by 100. The result is 7.5 crores. See how easy it is? Whether you are dealing with small business figures or massive infrastructure projects, just divide by 100 every time. One very common mistake is thinking a crore is the same as a million. In reality, they are quite different. Remember, 1 million is only 10 lakhs. It actually takes 10 whole millions to make just one single crore. Don't let the zeros confuse you. Keeping this 10-to-1 ratio in mind will help you bridge the gap between Indian and international systems. If you don't want to do the math manually every time, there is a much faster way to get accurate results. You can use the free lakh to crore converter on SarkariTools.org. It is designed to be fast, free, and completely error-proof. Just type your lakh value into the box. Let's enter 1250 lakhs. Instantly, 12.5 crores appears in the result field. It handles large numbers effortlessly, saving you time and preventing those embarrassing decimal mistakes in your reports or studies. The direct link to this converter is available in the video description below. Go ahead and bookmark it for your future use. Use it whenever you need a quick conversion. Subscribe to our channel for more useful explainers and tools that simplify your daily life. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide was helpful. We will see you in the next video with more great tips.